Hi faves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to stabilize your whipped cream in 2 ways. Yay! Welcome back. Like and follow and subscribe. So if you've been having issues with stability of your cream, then you have to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to be showing you two methods. Guys, so you mix your whipped cream and you measure your whipped cream accurately with your water. You can use room temperature water or cold water. I have a video for room temperature water, but I had to take it down because the music I use had license, so I think I have to do another video for that. So moving forward, you mix your cream and you add your corn flour. So you can use 2 teaspoons of corn flour and you can use icing sugar. But icing sugar, like if you don't have corn flour, alternatively you can use icing sugar. But I prefer corn flour because corn flour won't add to the sweetness of the cream. You know, icing sugar is sugar too. So once you use it, it stabilizes the cream, right? But it's going to add to the sweetness. And the whipped cream is already sweet on its own. You don't need excess sugar. So when it's done, when you're done mixing, put it in the fridge and allow it to chill for like 5 minutes, and you go ahead and whip your cake and decorate your cake. And the outcome, guys, you'll not have to worry about your cake sweating in the car while delivering, or before you get to the owner it's already melted. No, it's the corn flour is going to stabilize your cream very well. So you can see in the video I mixed it, and that was it. And that's method 1. And let's go to the second method. And guys, this is like the pro method of stabilizing your cream. So you just dissolve your gelatin over hot water. Then once it's dissolved, you can take 2 teaspoons and add to your cream. So I added it here. Then you proceed to add your water. So my gelatin is already in this mixture, and you go ahead to mix it. Now guys, I was done mixing the cream. You see how thick it is. I tell you, this one doesn't even, it doesn't melt. Even your cream becomes more thicker the longer it stays on the fridge. So I would want you to try the 2 method and let me know your outcome, and please drop a comment if you find this useful. Don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.